It's 12:59 p.m., Friday, December 28th, 2018, here at Denver International Airport, and the brand new United Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner, the first in the fleet, is now arriving from Los Angeles, and I'm here to take this plane back to Los Angeles. This was an equipment substitution. The plane was originally scheduled to be a Boeing 737-800. The first scheduled revenue flight for the new 787-10 will be on January 7th from Los Angeles to Newark, but this aircraft and Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner number 2 in the past week or so have started making revenue flights on unscheduled equipment substitution. When a plane is out of service somewhere and they need to pull in another aircraft, then this is sent into service as part of the test flights before the official launch of passenger service